Hello, it's me, Joy / Fairy Liquid from the magical land of JingJangJooJong. Thank you for joining me on this video. As you can see, I am making a Elsa balloon, and with Frozen 2 coming out in the UK in just a couple of days, it will be, as usual, the most requested princess balloon probably in the history of princess balloons. I've sped this tutorial up a little bit. You can play it slower if you need to, or you can go up here to the eye and you can see me do another princess, breaking it down in easier, slower steps. On my channel you can see lots of things that are great, quick things to do for kids at children's parties. Maybe you are a ballooner or a face painter and you are adding to your repertoire, or maybe you're a parent learning some new skills, or maybe you're a children's entertainer, again adding strings to your bow. Well, you're in the right place. I would like you to join my mail list, so look below in the show notes for details of this. I wanted to say a big thank you for joining me today on this video. I'm nearly finished. As you can see, I am just drawing on the face of Elsa there and ruining it. Anyway, thank you for joining me. Get ready for the big finale.
Raise your arms and wave them all about. Now let's see how low you can go. Yeah, but can you sing it real?
Let it go, let it go.